comrades, you're watching the Overland in Van Lifestyle Way, and if you haven't seen previous episodes, go check them out and come back here. The plan for today is I need to get out of here. I don't want to walk them here, but my little ferrets here need some attention, so I need to wrap up here quickly. You know, I decided to wash a couple of clothing items, even though I have plenty of spares. I feel like this one I need. It's like a little sweater thing, which I got stained and stuff with whatever a few days ago. The next episode is actually processing right now. Check this out. Episode 3 is cranking away, and while it's doing it, I need to refill my jugs, water jugs. So I have one, just top up this guy. I need more water because I also use it to, at this point, the new thing for me is wash my boots and climb gun and stuff like this when I'm done, because I have to put it inside here, so it needs to be clean, so that's extra water use. And besides that, my ferrets need water, and I need water, so I need to buy some more water besides refilling my jugs, because a couple of jugs failed on me. My setup, you know, I use this is like 1 gallon jug, this one is 1 gallon-ish roughly, so I'm gonna top up that one and that one. I don't think, yeah, I usually store it behind the seat here, so yeah, I kind of have 1, 2, 3, only 3. I need way more as a backup always. Man, it's very chilly on Washington coast. It's because of all the clouds, they say, from the smoky areas that got brought up here. It used to be a week ago very warm here. Anyway, at this rate, if it's gonna be this chilly, like today is definitely colder than last night. Even I'm not even talking day was fine. So at this rate, if it's gonna keep on going, following me this coldness, I think I'll hit some interior of Oregon, I guess, in a couple of days. I need some of that sun. Maybe go to that desert, but for now I'm gonna travel to Oysterville, maybe refresh on oysters. Hopefully they're even cheaper than that last place, because it's like a whole giant farm in there. I have arrived. Yes, let's see if they are cheaper. So last place was $1. Hopefully here it's like 50 cents. Let's see what they have here in jars. White tuna. Let's see, oysters, hot pepper. Maybe, whoa, $7. No, I'm not getting that. Oysters too. Gourmet soups jar. Maybe I should get one of these. It's a little pricey. Here's the good part. $4 per pound. So this is pretty much as many clams as I caught myself yesterday. Right here. No, some of them were a little bigger. How much would you say? That's 5 pounds? Okay, $20. So I guess getting a fishing license was worth it. No, because I dug around this much yesterday, and I'm gonna do it today as well. So I'm just kind of trying to wage the benefits here.
Not everybody's able to get out and dig clams, but if you are, you know.
Peaceful. So a little bit of information. I can't eat these oysters raw from this place. I gotta cook them up. There's a little bit of bacteria in the area. It's too bad. But they're giant. like I don't have big enough pot. I probably can do like 3 at a time or something like that. But the price is awesome. It's like $7 a dozen. That's ridiculous. Or I could take chances. Supposedly, so razor clams carry some kind of nervous system affecting bacteria, toxin, but oysters don't. The max you can get is diarrhea, not feel good for a couple of days. I could take these chances from this area at least, but they say they dig them up here in mud. They like deep mud, so they're more prone to developing some of that bacteria that I need to you need to cook or steam. Again, for steaming I don't have big enough pot, or I have frying pan. Maybe open them up on frying pan. I think I'll do that. Well, I'm definitely getting them for like $7 $7 a dozen. It's a crime not to get them. Probably gonna get 2 dozens, and yeah, and they're actually very nice size here. So some small ones, medium ones. I'm gonna get 2 dozen giant ones. Well, they're not giant, they're large. The giant one I have in the car is much bigger. I still have it actually. I didn't finish it last night. Yeah, size of my hand. Actually, maybe a little bit too big for my cooler. Came back to get my cooler, load it up, and I'm good to go. Actually, I shouldn't be so selfish. I'm gonna walk these guys. I feel guilty. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So one good thing about this little guy here is he's not fighting putting on collar anymore. He's chill. He knows we're going somewhere. Here. Ta-da! Go, go. Okay, go. Where should go? Uh-oh, danger. Deep bushes. So I got a little bell on him. Let's see what he does. But that harness, he can still easily slip out of that. When it's under tension and he's crawling through stuff and it gets hooked by things, he will slime out, or I don't know, squeeze out, how do you say it? Догонялки. Walkie with muscat. Yeah. He's so chill. A little bit more walkie time with this guy, and I gotta pack some oysters, pack them, and proceed to some beach. I honestly don't think I need to gather clams. I mean, my license pretty much paid for itself already yesterday, the amount of clams I gathered from the price I saw here, and this is cheap place too, like according to oyster prices. It's already paid for. So I think, yeah, I'm done with Washington, as in clamming thing. I'm just gonna go find a beach and, I don't know, maybe start early cooking. Actually, while it's light, I'm gonna try to find some, I don't know, some secluded something. I'm not sure if to stick around here or go down south, catch McDonald's, Wi-Fi, hopefully it's fast enough, and maybe camp out in the nuclear somewhere. But I stopped here because I want to check out what this guy caught. Maybe I shouldn't do clamming, but maybe take out my fishing gear and fish a little bit today. What kind of fish are these?
Honestly, brother, I don't know.
Don't know?
This is the first time I've ever surfed fish.
Just casting and good to go.
My folks live here. I don't live around here, but
oh, still it's dinner. Whatever this is.
Yeah, it's a perch of some type. I bet you it's just a regular surf perch.
This big. So what did you use for lure? Just those plasticky things, that's it? Is that it? Alright man, have fun. I think I might actually hit Oregon.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. I would not camp on this beach just because you will lose your truck to those.
Yeah, he says the high tide can go all the way up to the top of, not top of the hill, but where it's dry, so even if I find a little nuke somewhere, it's probably not safe with high tide. Yeah, thanks for the tip. I'll go to some state park in Oregon right now and boy, start munching. Okay, guy.
Alright.
You again, doing a little chills on the beach. Go, go, go. Go, Muscat, go. What do you want, guy? Where are you going, little one? Oh, 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 poopy time. That was a poopy time. That's great. You're safe now. It's okay. The birds will eat them. Like, they are not stupid. All the way from there, walking around, he is returning to the car. That's where he's going. He sees it, he knows that's where home base is. He knows. Mr. Chubbs, crawling along. Where are you going? To the car? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? What are you ferrety thoughts? Yeah? You're almost there. No, maybe I was wrong. Maybe he's not coming to the base. Идем, 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 пошли. Muscat, идем. I think he wanted to drink. He just came over to me, kinda lie down near me, like, daddy, daddy, I want something. I think it's the water he wants. Yeah, coming to me. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Muscat. Мусик. Мусик, Мусик. Иди сюда. Muscat. Yeah, yeah, change of direction. Yeah, he's coming to the car. Yes, 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 yes. And here he is. Oh, that's so cute. I just walked Misha, the gray one, all the way to the water, and the wave caught him, just like Muscat yesterday. And I walked him into the dunes over there, and the guy actually started following me here and there. Like after a while, he ventures off, and then like, I guess he gets lost or whatever. Ooh, where the hell am I going? He sees me and comes back to me, crawls in my lap, just kind of sits and wipes his head or whatever. And like for a minute or so or two, I'm like his little home base, and then he ventures off until again too much far, and I keep calling him, you know. And yeah, he comes back again, and then, you know, just now it's funny, I'm like, here, pointed the finger like, you need to go to the car. And yeah, he's just like, I'm walking towards the car or running, and he's like following. Yeah, cute little suckers. I'm gonna go and try McDonald's here south of this peninsula, see if I got decent connection, maybe upload an episode, but the next one is like 27-minute long from 2 days ago now, so I'm not sure. That's definitely 3 gigabytes for sure. So that's it, I'm moving to Oregon. I tried to visit Cape Disappointment. It's the only thing here I haven't cruised on the coast on a 2-year-ago trip. I'll probably try to stay at the state park over there if I can't camp on the what's Sunset Beach is called. It's a long stretch, lots of clam gathering there, but I'm not sure if I can camp there somewhere or not. So hopefully that state park isn't taken, or if not, there could be some RV places. But before that, I'm actually gonna stop at Starbucks. I just started uploading my next video through whatever my roaming connection, but it's slow and I only got 500 megs, and then speed will throttle down quite a bit. So I'll need to finish at some coffee shop. I tried McDonald's just now. I don't know what's up, like I can search web pages, everything is fine in McDonald's, but uploads just don't work. It's just sitting there and doesn't want to do anything. So they probably have some kind of filter system in place, so you can't upload files and that kind of stuff, I guess. Check this out, some other YouTuber, I guess, embracing detours. I'm gonna check out this guy, why not? Starbucks. Okay, hopefully we have decent connection. So it's getting late, it's 7 o'clock, the sun is setting over there. I'm in Starbucks still. I've been here for about an hour and a half. They do have something going on, some kind of limits on uploads. So for example, all my Amazon Prime movies from Canada that I pre-downloaded in States, yeah, they just don't want to work. Somehow it recognizes even offline, like as soon as it hit one time online, I guess it sends some kind of code. Oh, disable, that's it. So I wiped those, and just now within like 20 minutes I downloaded something like 7 movies on Amazon Prime. No problem, fast connection. Upload my video is sitting at 50%, an hour and a half. but I get it, like I don't know, I can't wait more. I want to get to the spot while it's light. It's probably not state campground. There's iOverlander app, some kind of parking lot near on the ocean side, or no, on Sunset Beach. That's huge long stretch in northern Oregon. So 4 comments that no one touched them in the evening, no police, nothing. It doesn't say that you can't sleep in the car, it just says you can't camp on the beach. So I may do that. Or there's another spot on North Jetty, very tip, but I need to get there at light time to see if there are other people potentially sleeping there. I rather avoid paying for state park, and obviously like I just need a little corner in the woods somewhere, and that's it. And that jetty has bushes, so maybe I can squeeze into some bush kind of away from view and just kind of chill like that. But I gotta find better solution for uploads. Obviously McDonald's and Starbucks don't work. I'm gonna quickly, my phone is actually over there sitting on the table because here connection doesn't work. So I'm gonna research right now, see like something like best public places to upload YouTube videos. Maybe if someone has a suggestion. I did get my shellfish license at Starbucks. Fishing license I didn't get yet. It's $100 for non-residents. I'm not sure yet if I'll get it whenever I feel like, yeah, I want to fish, or maybe go to a river or something along those lines. So to get to North Jetty, I gotta drive through Fort Stevens State Park, and the whole territory is marked as a state park thing. It's likely not gonna be able to camp there. Otherwise, I could try actually a couple of RV parks here. I don't know how expensive they are. Maybe get Wi-Fi and finally do all my things. At least catch up to the episodes uploading. I don't know, but usually campground Wi-Fi's are pretty bad. That's why people get Wi-Fi boosters and all that kind of stuff. Which actually I want to as well. It's still not all just wilderness, especially cruising Canada, US. Sometimes you're in a pickle and it's hard to find a little forestry place thing. You end up in civilization, and it's kind of nice to you know, steal some Wi-Fi from like 2 kilometers away and stuff like that, or cell signal booster. But they're like $300 Wi-Fi boosters, the cheapest. The good ones are $500, so it's not a priority investment by any means. Kind of, I bumped into a local guy here. He's like, yeah, I camped here a few times, but you can be seen from road, and I don't feel like running into rangers. Think I'll try that RV campground right now. Yeah, the famous Oregon mist. There you go. I've driven through tons of this stuff. Yeah, and this is exactly why I miss Baja. It was so awesome to just pretty much camp wherever you want on the beach. Unlike the whole western US, you know, or even western Canada, it doesn't matter. Like this whole western coast, there's barely a few places. Like I know for sure one place I can camp in Oregon on the beach, but I'm not gonna get there for days. It's somewhere like in the middle of it, a little bit more south. But my idea was here to try to discover some some routes. I mean, try to discover some camping spots potentially for, you know, coming here on a long weekend or something. That's why, you know, I keep trying, even though I tried on previous trips here and there. I keep trying a little bit more still, but so far I'm failing. This is Del Rey parking lot with beach access. I think I'm in the right place. Quite a bit of RVers probably staying overnight at this parking lot, so I'm probably gonna do the same. Oh yeah, totally, there is a van over there. Yeah, so this is gonna be my first time camping at the public place. It's just parking lot, but yeah, I just talked to those guys and they are staying at night today here. I think pretty much everyone here stays. I have no idea what the hell this is. This looks so old, it looks either abandoned or like I'm not sure anyone lives there. Yeah, it just sucks there's no kind of privacy. Well, now that I got back curtains, I do have privacy, but still, I don't know, maybe this time I'll try to do like the tire carrier to close it before closing the lid, but it's tough. I'm not sure I can do that. And yeah, so no internet. Everything's pretty much booked on the coast here. I could have tried to go in the woods here, nearby-ish kinda, but whatever. May as well make it my first van life parking lot camping at the beach. There is actually internet connection here. This is where I am, on the parking lot. And there is another arrival there. Yeah, some sketchy about rusty RV that was here. Some guys just pulled in and they're trying to charge and they look kind of sketchy. I found a place in the woods, I think. I'm gonna do that. 8-minute drive. I rather have seclusion. So this is gonna be a place. Just need to drag our drive a little bit south. And according to satellite view, there's like a patch of land in the woods here. And if that doesn't work out, there's like here, here, here. I could try. So, yeah, I don't feel like staying here. This feels like Walmart parking, which Walmart is probably maybe safer. There's security, I don't know. Alright, I'll head out. Alright, so this is my setup. I cruised around in the woods, cruised, and eventually lost a good hour or an hour and a half. All the roads, everything's gated, little detours, everything completely gated everywhere. So I had to return to Seaside and try southern two campgrounds and, well, RV parks. One of them, it said right there that the vacancy, but no, is not on. So yeah, I don't know. Found this patch of land, so but I'm definitely not gonna do any kind of oyster cooking, any of this stuff at this point. I don't feel like it, and yeah, I'll just do some noodles, whatever. I still have sausages, some avocado, all that stuff. I'll do cookout tomorrow, but this kind of shows me that I need to change something. Like, I don't want to be arriving late in the evening like this somewhere. Spend hours just looking for BS spots. So either I'm gonna go interior, or whatever next section, whatever I go, I make sure during daytime to book something. If you know, just have a look at the map, see how plentiful things are, because this is still season. Second half of August, you know, people still with kids cruising around. So yeah, I've been chatting with these guys here for like a past 40 minutes or so. We're camping in this RV over there. This is Magnus. We're from Germany, just chilling, enjoying for how many days?
2.5 weeks, so 16 days.
Yeah, how many states you've done?
8, I think, by now.
Yeah, very fast pace.
Yeah, very fast.
Yeah.
Not much time.
But hey, this guy at 21, he traveled so much already the world. It's crazy. I've been hearing his stories. I'm jealous.
Yeah.
The places I want to go. Yeah, thanks for keeping me company, guys. And,
Thanks for telling us.
you're gonna see yourself on the episode if you follow up.
Oh, definitely.
Alright, have a good night, guys.
Yeah, thanks, you too.
Well, I hope you liked this episode, and if you did, you can support me by hitting the like button and subscribe, and also check out my previous videos by hitting the links below or just after this video.